Thomas and Friends, Wow Wow Whoopsie, Battle over Dream Island, and Orange HFA, Mugman, Shaun the Sheep, Hi Hi Puffy Yummy, FGB, The New Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. South Park, Jake and the Neverland Pirates, The Littlest Pet Shop, A World of Your Own, El Chavo, Pig Go Banana Cricket, Nachi Push, SpongeBob's Clues, Sonic X, The Amazing World of Gumball. Granny Phantom, Caillou gets grounded, even though I like the PBS Kids Caillou. Anyways, let's get into continue. SML, Mad, Pokemon, Cars Toon, Buzz Lightyear, Star Command, Simon's Cat, The Simpsons. So that's all the shows I say. I'll toast. Bye.